how to fix can't play this right now in Spotify. So if you're trying to play a song and you're getting this error message, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this. So first, just open up the Spotify app like so, and then click on your profile icon. You can then select settings, and then go and scroll down this page. And underneath storage, you'll see this option for cache. Go and press clear cache. You can then press clear. And then once you've done this, you can come down to the toolbar at the bottom and make sure this option for enable shuffle is turned off and disabled like so. So you should be able to see a gray symbol like this, and this indicates that it's turned off. Now, once you've done this, you'll need to go and close out of the Spotify app by pressing the cross icon. And just make sure you've completely closed the app by checking in the taskbar as well. Now, once it's closed, you can try reopening Spotify and checking if that solves the error. Now, if it's not working, there is another way to solve this as well. So go and open up your start menu and click on settings. Now from the left-hand side, select apps, click on installed apps, click on the search box, and then just search for Spotify. You can then click on these three horizontal dots and press uninstall and click on the uninstall button. Now, once it's completely finished uninstalling, you'll then need to open up your start menu, search for the Microsoft Store and click on this window here. Now click on the search box. Type in the word Spotify and press search. Now click on this app here, which is Spotify Music and Podcasts, and you'll need to go and install the app directly from the Microsoft Store. So I'm going to press get, and then you can go through the steps to install this onto your computer. Once it's finished downloading, you can try opening up the app directly from this window, and that should have solved the music playback error.